and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, this is the part 2 of my massive Sephora haul. So in my first video, I showed you some makeup items that I got from Sephora's holiday savings event. And on this video, I'm going to show you some stocking stuffers and gift sets that you can give to your family and friends for the holidays. Let's start with this Plur Missing Person perfume. I got the 9.5 ml and this is 34 Canadian dollars. And if you would search this perfume on TikTok, you would see a lot of emotional reactions from people who try this on. They said that they would describe the scent of this as being in love.
To describe it is it smells like the feeling of being in love, and it's very familiar.
And I'm gonna try this on again so I remember the scent. It definitely makes you nostalgic. A lot of people said that this perfume reminds them of their boyfriend's hoodie, but for me this gives me a nostalgic scent of the late 90s, early 2000s. It kind of reminds me of the first time I went to a posh hotel. Weirdly, it also reminds me of my favorite teachers. Missing Person is actually described by the brand's creative director Chriselle Lim as an addictive fragrance like the lingering scent of your lover's skin left on their t-shirt or pillowcase, and it's evocative but strangely familiar, and I agree 100% with that. I think that at one point in our lives we've smelled this scent somewhere. Maybe in a garden, in a hotel, in a school setting. And I think perfumes are always a good gift because it can evoke emotion. And with this one, because it smells familiar, I think that a lot of people would appreciate it. And plus points if you give this to someone and they suddenly remember a positive moment in their lives before and makes them very happy about it. So if you have a family or a friend that is so hard to give gifts for because she has everything she wants, I think that she would appreciate this perfume. The second stocking stuffer that I got is the Yves Saint Laurent Mini Libre Duo gift set. So this costs 35 Canadian dollars, and this gift set contains 7.5 ml perfume and a 1.6 gram red lipstick. I have to warn you though, the contents of this gift set is very small, but when I opened the perfume, it really filled my makeup room. It smells amazing, and I'm planning to give this to my aunts because I think that red lipsticks really fit my aunts so well, and it has a neutral color red, so it can fit any skin tone. So if you're looking for a gift for your aunts, I think that this will be a perfect gift. So let's move on to another gift set. I think that this gift set would appeal to teenagers to young adults, and this is the Glow Recipe Fruit Babies Bestsellers kit. So in this kit, you have 5 ml of the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask, 20 ml Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner, 10 ml Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum, 15 ml Watermelon Pink Juice Oil-Free Moisturizer, and 10 ml Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. The reason why I got this is because there's a YouTuber that I follow, and she did a 1 week skincare routine using Glow Recipe, and after that 1 week her face really looks like glass skin. I think that this would really be appreciated by teenager to young adults. I actually also want to try this for myself. It's such a great gift idea. Another gift set that I think would also appeal to teenagers to young adults is this Laneige Midnight Minis. So this set contains 3 grams of the lip sleeping mask in berry, gummy bear, mango, vanilla, and mint choco. Perfect because we're getting into that winter month, so our lips are getting dry and getting chapped. So this is a perfect gift that you know can be very useful. The fifth gift set is also a gift set that I bought because of its packaging, and this is the Hermes Women's Perfume Discovery Set. This is a gift for my mom, and I got this because this is the closest I can get myself to having an Hermes box. Actually, I'm not gonna keep the box because it's gonna be with my mom, but at least I can touch the packaging and see how it looks like. And this one contains the following 4 perfumes. I'm only familiar with Twilly and I really like the scent of this, but I'm sure the rest of the perfumes would smell great. Most of the tones are usually floral or fruity, so I think that my mom would really enjoy using this perfume. The next gift set is the only gift set that I got for men. This is the Clinique for Men Daily Oil-Free Essentials. So it has a facial wash, a cream shave, and an oil-free moisturizer. And the size is really great for traveling. Men are so hard to buy for, but I think my uncles and some of my cousins would really appreciate this because even men needs a good me time and skincare routine. So I think that they would really appreciate this. And it's from Clinique, so I know that it's gonna be a good brand. And this costs $19.50 Canadian dollars. The next gift set that I have is this Olaplex Style and Strength hair set. So it has the Olaplex number 6, 7, and 9. I think that a lot of my friends would appreciate this set. And each of the product actually comes in a good size. Like the number 6 comes in 100 ml, the number 7 comes in 30 ml, and the number 9 comes in 20 ml. The last gift set that I have, and the biggest one I have, is the Sol de Janeiro's Boom Boom Beats Body Care Set. This is 90 Canadian dollars. As you can see, each of the product comes in a big container. It's actually very heavy. So I like this because I like the scent of the Boom Boom cream. And I'm going to give this to my sister-in-law because she's actually one of the first to introduce me with the Boom Boom cream, and I know that she loves this. This contains 240 ml of the Brazilian Boom Boom body cream, 90 ml of the Brazilian 4-Play Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel, 90 ml of the Brazilian Crush Boom Boom Hair and Body Fragrance Mist, and 75 ml of the Boom Boom Body Scrub. I think that the gift set would also appeal to teenagers, to young adults. And this set retails for 130 Canadian dollars, but when you buy the set, it would only be 90 Canadian dollars, so it's very worth it. So if you like the Sol de Janeiro's Boom Boom cream, I think that you should try this set because with this you can really save a lot. So that wraps up my huge Sephora haul. I hope that you learned something from this video, and I hope that you have an idea on what to give to your loved ones now. And if you appreciate this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.